procrastinating doing this video because I've had absolutely no time with 4 kids, homeschooling, a day job, and a business. But I had someone in one of my mom groups on Facebook contact me when they found out I had a day job in food safety and wanted me to use my nifty little ATP machine here to do a review for her Norwex Enviro wipes, or envirocloth, I'm sorry. I've never used these before in my life. I do not sell them. I have no affiliation with the company whatsoever. Just this girl in one of my Facebook groups messaged me, asked if I'd do a review on it, because she has the swabs that only tell you positive, negative on a test. They don't give you a count. This machine gives you a count. And pretty much in a home environment, the standards are going to be a little different. In a food facility, the standards are a 0 to a 10 are ideal on the count. 11 to 20 is sort of like caution zone. And then 30 and above is like danger, recall, clean the equipment, total overhaul. So we're gonna see how well these guys work. Like I said, I haven't done this. I've been putting it off because I wanted to have time to do it. My kids are in the other room, so you'll probably hear them in the background. I'm sorry. And I wanted to clean up my kitchen first, but then I thought, why clean up my kitchen when I'm going to be doing a review to see how well something kills bacteria and pathogens. So my kitchen is an absolute wreck and horror. I apologize, but it sort of goes along with the point of this video. So with that said, these are my test kits. They have to stay refrigerated. So I just got them out of the fridge, brought some home. Test kit. Test machines, the ATP testing machine. It tests for pathogens that could be left, both live and dead. So that works out perfectly for the Norwex because it claims to pick up pathogens, and then when you wash it off when you're done, just wash them down the sink. And then it has silver, I believe, or some kind of microbe preventing substance in it that makes it kill off any pathogens that get trapped in the microfiber. Once again, I am not a saleswoman for this, so do not take any of this information. If you want more information on this product, find someone that sells them, or I'll attach the information for the girl that I got these from. I'm just here to do a swab test to see how well they work. So we're going to take a before swab, and then we'll do an after swab. So you swab, bring it out. Swab the counter. My counter is going to be disgusting. I'm already going to tell you. Put it back in. Break the seal. Alright. Put it in there. And shut it. And it takes 15 seconds for it to work. So, let's see what I'm scared to see what this is, because you're going to see how nasty my counter is. Alright, looks like my counter is a 12 starting out with, which is not dirty. Not very dirty. Especially for a home setting. Home settings usually have a higher allowance for counts. So 12 is pretty clean. So not too embarrassed about that. Pretty proud of that, considering I haven't cleaned this counter today and I just finished prepping dinner. So 12. That's good. Okay. So I'm going to clean this out, and I'm going to reset it. And when I come back, we will do the test, and you guys will watch me do the test to verify I'm doing it right. Okay? Because once again, I'm not a saleswoman for this stuff. I've never used it in my life. Alright. Okay. Sorry about that. I had kids coming, need to get a snack, and need to check on dinner in the oven. So, like I said, I'm doing this while multitasking because I've been putting off this video. Alright, so I still have these in the pack. I've never taken them out of the pack. I've never used these. So, we're going to give it a go. This is the envirocloth. There's also a few others in here. The window and another one, but I'm just doing the envirocloth. So, alright, the envirocloth, and you wet it with cold water to activate it. I guess you can actually use it dry too, but we're not checking it for its ability to dust today. We're seeing how well it cleans. Alright, so I'm going to clean my surface here. Clean, clean, clean. Okay. And from what I understand, you wash it off with hot water and then let it air dry. So I'm going to do that when I'm done. Dry my hand off here. Okay. Alright, so now, got my test strip. There we go. I'm gonna run it around here. Put it in. Snap it. Here. And let's see how well it does. Oh, 0. That's really good. So this is telling me this works. It went from a 12 to a 0. If it had made like a 12 to a 10, I'd be like, oh, well, that's probably just, you know, the machine. But a 12 to a 0 is a giant jump. And by food safety standards in an industry setting, this is considered completely sanitary. If there was anything, which the likelihood of me having E. coli or Listeria or anything in my kitchen is very low, but if any of that stuff was on this surface, this would show it in a number count. It would be incredibly high. So this is considered food safety standard clean. So with that being said, I might look into getting some of these for my household. They seem pretty neat, so I'm going to do some research on them. I'll put my friend's information in this video. You can contact her if you like. Like I said, I know her from a Facebook mom group here in Florida. She did not pay me to do this. I got no compensation for it. I do not work for Norwex in any way, shape, or form. I just wanted to put this out. She asked me to. I had this machine anyways, so why not? If you guys have any videos you'd like me to do or any suggestions, please send me an email at herbnerdstore@gmail.com or leave a comment here in the comment section. Like my page. I'll try to get more videos up as I can. It's hard with 4 kids, but I'll do my best to get more up. All right, thanks.